Sure, if you're watching this video right now, you're experiencing a sewer backup or a break, and you discovered it by either sewage backing up in your basement or DP gave you a cease and desist notice. I'm sure you're thinking, what should I do? Weighing out the pros and the cons. Should I get it replaced? Should I repair it? And this video, just want to highlight the steps in what's done when we actually replace or repair your sewer. So first and foremost, you got to find a licensed plumber. You hire the licensed plumber. They're going to pull DEP permits to obtain sewer inspections if they are required. Additionally, if a DOT permit is required, that licensed plumber will have to apply for that as well. If you're working on the property, most likely you don't need a DOT permit, but it all depends. Every job in that case would be different. After the DEP permits are obtained, we start and we get you a start date. Once you've been assigned your start date, it's time to start saving parking. It's funny, we have a joke here. It's easier to do the sewer repair than it is to save parking in New York City, which is, it's actually the truth. You know, we may reach out to you and say, hey, you have a vehicle? Can you assist us with parking? We also have a team here who will help reserve the parking. Now that the parking is saved, we can release a crew to come and perform the work. The backhoe and the crew will arrive. We will mark out the excavations. Once the excavations are marked out, the crew will start beginning to dig. When the excavations are made, we will shore the hole for safety purposes and locate the sewer pipe. We have the hole shored and we've located the pipe, and we're going to remove it in preparation to install the new extra heavy cast iron pipe. If you are opted to do a repair, we will connect the new pipe to the old pipe. If you have opted for a sewer line replacement, note that similar to the repair, the entire line from the building to the house will be trenched out and replaced. Also, that would be inspected by DEP. Note, a sewer line replacement is typically not a one-day project. Typically takes multiple days to replace an entire sewer line. Now that the repair or the replacement has been completed, it's time to backfill the hole. All excavations will be backfilled and tamped and made safe and prepared for final restoration. Now at Harris, we have our own in-house restoration teams who specialize in concrete and asphalt restoration. These are typically done shortly after the project is completed. If you have any other questions or want to know more about sewer line replacements, please feel free to contact us, and thank you for visiting our website.